Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is create your Gumroad account. To do that, you need to sign up for Gumroad using your Google account, email, and password. So this is what it looks like. You can just basically set up everything here, payouts, payment method, and your profile. So as you can see, there is this button where you're going to add your product later. To create a digital product here to sell on Gumroad, one of the best ways is to just create a digital product with the help of Canva. Actually, you can create here a banner, you can create a tracker, you can create any template here or even social media templates and sell this to your Gumroad. However, for today, I'm going to show you how to sell ebook digital product for your Gumroad. So first you have to go to Canva and then search for ebook. We will be using the ebook cover as our size and ratio for our ebook product. So here, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to ask a help from ChatGPT, ideas, contents, titles. Actually, if you have your own, I strongly suggest to have your own contents, to have your own ebook, but if you don't have, then you can ask a help from ChatGPT, not really getting all information from ChatGPT, but just asking help and ideas from ChatGPT. So since there are tons of titles and ideas ChatGPT gave me, I prefer to look for money, personal finance, and I'm going to choose the 1,000 a month as side hustle. So I'm going to ask also ChatGPT for ideas, but I strongly suggest not to copy everything. You have to create your own. But since this is a tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how to create it. But I strongly suggest to create your own. So suppose that this is your idea or you get it from ChatGPT, but you just tweak it or change something, and then you ask also the main title, or let's just say this is your subtitle, this is your target audience, this is your table of contents. But again, I strongly suggest not to copy everything, just get some ideas. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to type it or add this to your Gumroad, or before that, you're going to add this to your Canva because we will be creating a book here on Canva. So search for a template. Since it's all about finance, I'm going to look for finance template right here. Look for finance template. There are tons of template here on Canva, and I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan into Pro to unlock some features here because there are some features that are not for free. Now, once you have your template, and then you can go back to ChatGPT and then copy the title of your ebook. So basically, you can add here, you can type here. The good thing about Canva is you can change the font style, the font size, the font color. You can even change the background image, the background color, change the size, increase, decrease, add more text. Now, if you want to add elements such as money, savings, or whatsoever, you just have to go to elements and then search for the specific object that you wanted to add here on your Canva ebook. So this is the main, or let's just say the cover of your ebook digital product. Now add page in order for you to add a more, like the table of contents, or let's just say the target audience, the definition, or whatever you want to add. So for example, for the second page, I'm going to add a table of contents. What you're going to do next is add a text or just duplicate this one if you like the font style of this one. Now paste table of contents. Tap on the text right here to add the information about the table of contents. So suppose that these are your ideas, okay? Or you just have to simply type it right here, add the idea right here of your table of contents. Now, if you want to change also the font color, if you don't want it to be same as the title, so you can just basically select all and then go to the color, font color section and then change it, okay, to white, or everything is up to you. Now resize this one, and then you can also change the alignment if you want. So basically, this is how easy it is. You just have to simply explore. You just have to increase, decrease at the size of this. You can add more elements. So let's just say I wanted to add, for example, I wanted to add a money icon or savings icon or whatever you want here. You just have to simply go to the left side, and then there you will see this element section. By the way, you can add effects to your fonts if you wanted. Okay, so I'm going to arrange this one first. Go to elements, look for the object that I want to add. For example, money, or let's just say savings, something like that. Sorry for the misspelled word. So this is savings. Go to graphics. I strongly suggest graphics, and then add the element or object that you wanted to add here for your second page for your table of contents. And then once you have added, and then you can add more, like if you want to add a page, if you want to add more information, or if you want to add something, then you can tap on the add page right here, and then you can add the information about why 1000 a month is useful, something like that. So basically, you can add more, like the number two, but I'm going to elaborate this one first. So I have added the information about why 1000 a month is useful target. Once you're done, tap on the share button right here, and then tap on the PDF. So since you will be selling this to your Gumroad, use PDF, but PNG for thumbnail or cover. So once you're done, then go to your Gumroad, tap on the new product right here, add the title of your ebook. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to select here the product, which is ebook, then add the price. After that, tap on the next customize. Here you can add information about your ebook. You can add image, the thumbnail. You can add more information, call to action. Everything is up to you. And then you can also add the content right here. So basically, I'm going to add a thumbnail, my pictures. I'm going to download this. I'm going to go back to Gumroad and then upload, add more information, and so on. Add version if you want. Then content. You can also add here the button, divider, reviews, and so on. Tap on content, add your content right here. PDF file, receipt, share, and then published and continue. Okay, now when someone buys, Gumroad handles the digital delivery so the customer can access the product. And basically that's it. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.